Do you often have to sit for long periods without moving? It's easier than ever to lose track of time, but it's not great for your health. Thankfully, your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and Galaxy S25 Ultra can help you stay active with inactive time alert. Today, I will show you how to turn on this feature so your watch reminds you to move if you have been still for too long. To do so, first open Galaxy Wearable app, go to the app screen, find Wearable app, and then tap it, tap watch setting, next tap help, scroll down the screen, tap the gray on off switch next to inactive time until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To adjust the alert schedule, tap inactive time, set the start time, end time, and what days you want to be reminded. As the example, we will set it from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. every day. With this setting, your watch will monitor your activity throughout that period, and if you stay inactive for 50 minutes straight, it will gently remind you to move. So, in that 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. window, anytime you are not active for 50 minutes, like sitting at your desk or watching a movie, you will get a note from your watch. And that's it. Your Galaxy Watch 6 is now your daily accountability partner, helping you stay active and avoid long sitting sessions. Even though the 50-minute threshold can be changed, just having the gentle reminder in place can make a real difference in your energy and overall wellness. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.